the vibe session that was conducted by Dr. Bhatt Institute, which I was there in Baroda only. I attended there only for.
So you attended vibe session?
Yes, I attended the vibe session it was for 5 days.
5 days, yes.
Yes. Initially I thought 5 days image-based session, but then I thought 5 days are also less for doing image-based course.
Yeah. So see, you are telling that you counted 59 images.
Yes.
So that means 1/5 of the paper was image-based.
Yeah.
So you are attending 60 days the classes. You are attending for 6 whole months. So I feel the minimum time that you should give to the images is 5 days. Have a look at it. Yeah.
Yes, definitely. Vibe session was very helpful. There are some subjects in which there are very less images, and there are some subjects in which images form the main one of the main parts, like patho, or it can be radiology or surgery or anything like that. So there are some questions to which how much ever theory you read, or if they give an image, you have to deduce the answer from the image itself. So I think for that, at least the approach to the answer, image-based vibe was very helpful. And there are some other important updates and all which could not be covered in the class, which were also covered in vibe. So I think it was a really helpful session.
Okay, great.
So you said you started your revision after the class got over.
Yes, sir.
How useful did you find the vibe session?
It was quite useful, sir, because all the recent updates we got to know, and it was kind of a revision, sir. It was because all the classes were over. Now we knew about every subject, so it was kind of a revision.
Okay.
And it was good, sir.
Okay. So how useful you found the vibe session?
It was very good, very concise, and once I finished reading second revision of one subject, I used to go back to vibes and see all the pictures at that time, so that I already know the concept. I could when I see the image, I could get the idea of that topic and revise once again. I could finish revision once again. So vibes were very useful.
Great.
You were mentioning vibe. So did you attend vibe?
Yes, sir. I attended all 5 days of vibe, and I was unable to revise, which I don't regret, because I was able to understand a lot based on the images and making connections. During the vibe, I paid good attention, and I feel that somewhere things stuck in my mind very well while they were correlating. And
Student was telling us that there were few images in the exam that were directly repeat, like two from surgery and one from ophthalmos.
Yes,
glaucoma.
Yes, so definitely ophthalmos was there, which was taught by Dr. Neha, who is ophthalmology faculty, and other images were there from surgery.
Alright.